Ogechi Okeke. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank God that I made it alive today. And I'm praying for you guys that you all will know there. May the good Lord protect each and every one of you. May you never lack. In the name of Jesus. And you'll need down for your sake. It's all I want to do. Ya bachi. Ndo wala ga wishes you on down. Anybody wala. Shino mandare gena mo mandare ya namma. Ijani nine ya wiji wele. It's all I want to do. Go ga bachi. Fire jale is a mele. Put confusion in the midst of your enemies. Tinyeha confusion means let them begin to question themselves if anything is possible or not. Chiku sinafaye tinye for barala. What I go for your sake. Keep putting in your prayers. Keep putting in your prayers. Say, God, please grant Ogechi all her heart desire. Nda wala chela ya Chineke buru ọnwụ nye ha. Onye Ogechi na-achụ ga-anwụ, onye na-achụ m achụ ya anwụ. Kasa aka m dị ọcha. Onwere onye m na-achụ nke ọbụla na-echọrọ m. Like I said, the only man of God I owe an apology is Reverend Ejike Mbaka, because he never called me and he never insulted me. I owe him a big apology, which I will make the video at necessary time. I owe him an apology because Ochalomoku wasn't anything. So like I have received a lot of advice. I have listened to a lot of people that called me and always you question on yana again the model. Yana so in all ramifications and when you marry me, so I owe him a big apology and I will do that at inconvenient time. Rather than that, everybody choromoku kam choroku back. I didn't come for you, you came for me first. That on through my live video comment section, gave me a video or they create a page to warn me. So I owe you no apology. Onyemji apology wo Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka Ogechi apology, and that may when I get better. Right now I'm not feeling too well. Actually, where I'll get my strength to speak in a high volume, to stand firm, to say it the way it is. Maybe when the strength, the volume, the voice, the sound, myself, even I'm not with command and with authority. So let me recover first, and I will come and render my apology. I have defended Father Ejike Mbaka several times. Just that my page, Facebook, is disabled already. All of you that have been following me for years, you remember when this outburst came out. One lady. I came out, the way I am defending Zion is the way I defended Reverend Ejike Mbaka. With my full chest. People are undominantly sopam then. So I defended him. So that is it. So I will come and apologize. It's just that in the middle of war, anything comes, you use it as a weapon. So that's it. But anybody else, you got another thing coming. So my people, thank you. Have a good one. Share this video. Tag it to the necessary people that are supposed to hear it. Be logi. Like I story you or the possible or the possible.
Let us be serious on this thing that is going on this blue app. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Some people now accuse Ogechi Okeke Njaka. No one will put out top madu. No one will put out top Mirabel. Maybe no one does, I don't know. But specifically, I saw a video that Mirabel Anedo made the other day on Eja Abuja. After another video also make on another day. Kana siko Ogechi no nya wepụtere nunu ya nya wepụtara ọtịa n'iru akwụkwọ nke bụ eziokwu. Let the truth be told. Anyị ncha bụ human being. We are adult. You cannot tell me no to anọ nnọkọta mfu ime ahụ m ka ọ dị n'iro without me sending it to somebody. Let us tell ourselves the truth. I am the only one handling my phone, it's only me, and it's my privacy. Before you see whatsoever, my face, my hand, my body, back, front, whatsoever, it's only when I send it to you or when you saw me outside. You can snap me by zooming me by whatsoever, but you don't tell me that when I was inside my room or I am not wearing anything, you will tell me that you snapped me when I am inside my house wearing sleeveless or not wearing anything or wearing clothes normally. And I am asking a question. Where did Ogechi Okeke Njaka got the body, got the picture or the body of all these things that you people said that she is sharing? Apply wisdom, and ask yourself, where is Ogechi getting all these pictures? Remember, as I said, that I am the only one that is handling my phone, me alone, and I will see my body outside. Where is Ogechi Okeke Njaka getting all these pictures? Let us start from there before you say she shared, he shared, this person shared. Where is she getting all those pictures, videos, and the rest of them? Maybe I will come and answer you on a comment section when you drop your own view, or I will do another video. Let me see you at the comment section.